Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, Okudele is here again. I just want to do a very quick one, about OCONNECT. Yes, OCONNECT is one of the products that is ready in our ecosystem. That's ONPASSIVE ecosystem. Ladies and gentlemen, a system that contains everything that we will ever need online. Yes, both digital and physical products. Is amazing. Powered by artificial intelligence. So why I'm doing this is that I was having a conversation with an expert in what we are doing with ONPASSIVE. I was like, oh, what are we expecting from this OCONNECT? He said they're doing the integration. The CEO say they are doing the integration to integrate AI to the OCONNECT system. I was like, oh, what's AI gonna do for us? And after his explanation, I got excited. Number one of it is the, what they call it, the speech to speech. Yes, speech to speak application. Yes, that application, you know what it means? If somebody is speaking India in a presentation and you want to be hearing it in Hausa language, yes, you will just be hearing it and the person will be speaking. AI will change the language to Hausa. AI can change it to Igbo language. AI can change it to Yoruba language. I'm just mentioning the three major languages. Yes, it can change it to a Gala language, friends. Many languages that are already integrated to that application. Awesome. Yes, somebody will be speaking Spanish and you are here, you are getting it. So we give God glory about that, AI, workabilities. Lot it can do, but this one caught my attention. As I have to let guys know, get excited. That means you language barriers. That means communication barriers based on the fact that you are not speaking this language. You can now set up a meeting, and everything the person is saying, you are hearing it right and direct in your own local languages, powered by AI. It have never happened in the world before. That's why we are disruption. That's why Ash Mofare is saying that we are going to be haunted. People are going to look for us to get what we have, because what we have never, been seen in the world before. And other wonderful application, speech to text. That one, some organization are having it, but this one is going to be very accurate because a human, yes, that is a machine that is working like a human is already integrated in the system. Lot and lots are loading, ladies and gentlemen. I got so excited. I got so marveled. So, have you subscribed for your OCONNECT? For this thing that have not happened in the world before happening now in your eyes. Yes. Be part of the Pioneer affiliates, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it costs $240 as we speak, and that window can still close. Just position. That's the only money that can come out of your pocket. The only thing you are waiting for is apples. And whenever we mention apples, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about money that is dropping in dollars. Yes, because you have positioned, everybody coming all over the world are going to be positioning, under the early positioned affiliates. We're going to have users that just come to use our product, but we are doing a campaign, yes, helping Africa. Come, let us position in what is real, now that we can plug into the worldwide economy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so excited about the rate at which we are going. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Yes, so that you get notification. Click on that bell. Yes, so that we get and be part of the campaign we are doing against poverty using artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Yes, and if it's making sense, I say it over and over. That means it will surely make dollars. And is making dollars already. To God be the glory. And we are giving thanks, and we are excited, and we are encouraging Africa be part of this financial revolution happening already worldwide. Live healthy and be very, very wealthy.